So I'm sure this cooperation of a new kind is going to be very, very beneficial to the entire nation. I also believe Jai Jawan, Jai Jai Kisan. If you want to be choosing your careers after 12th, there is no reason why you should not go in for those courses that will bring development to our agriculture, to our farmers, into the real world of India, which is the rural India. As President Obama said recently, and I repeat, that his involvement with agriculture of this nation is going to be of the highest degree. So I am sure this celebration today is going to be very, very meaningful in today's times. मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, तुम्हें शुभ सलाम। आप इस देश की आज हो, सरताज हो, फलो, फूलो, खाओ पर खिलाओ। सब कुछ अपने पेट में मत डालें। अपनी जेब भरते हो, पर ये भी देखो कि दूसरों के जेब खाली हैं। एक नई पीढ़ी बनाओ, और मुझे पूरी आशा है जहां हम फेल हो गए, आप जीतेंगे। आप क्यों जीतेंगे? क्योंकि आपकी जो शिक्षा, जिसका पहला कदम आज ले रहे हैं, on the cooperative movement of India, is going to stand by you as a landmark of learning. Please transform the world, heal India. It really needs healing. Change the mindset of what you see on the media and what you read in the newspapers. I'm sure you will touch million lives. You will revolutionize the way we think. Leave your mark to be remembered after you are gone from the school you are already in.
नीचे के स्तर से ही जहाँ ये पढ़ रहे हैं, 6th में पढ़ रहे हैं, 7th में पढ़ रहे हैं, 10th में पढ़ रहे हैं, इनमें इनको सहकारिता के बारे में ज्ञान अर्जित कराया जाए। इसके लिए हमने भारत सरकार से निवेदन किया है। हम लोगों ने जाकर के हम मिले हैं कि एक विषय के रूप में, एक सब्जेक्ट के रूप में, अगर कोऑपरेटिव के सब्जेक्ट के रूप में अगर उसको इंट्रोड्यूस किया जाएगा, छोटा छोटा अगर बच्चों को बताने का काम किया जाएगा, तो निश्चित रूप से आज जो सहकारी आंदोलन जो आज गांव में है, वो चल करके जो हमारे पढ़े लिखे लोग हैं, जो प्रोफेशनल लोग हैं, उनके बीच में कोऑपरेटिव मूवमेंट बढ़ करके देश के उन लोगों की सेवा और मदद करने का काम करेगा, देश की आर्थिक स्थिति को मजबूत करने का काम करेगा, देश के जो सामाजिक व्यवस्था है, जो आज तमाम लोग अपमानित हो रहे हैं, तमाम लोगों को इज्जत और सम्मान नहीं मिल पा रहा है, ये कोऑपरेटिव मूवमेंट ही एक ऐसा साधन है जो देश के बहुसंख्यक लोगों को इज्जत और सम्मान भी दिला सकता है।
In India, 70% population is youth, and if they are involved in the cooperatives, I am sure that will take them to be self-reliant, because if they believe in the cooperative concept, if they follow some of the cooperative principles, then they have conviction that what they are doing in cooperatives that are making them self-reliant. So for youth, because they should not be misguided, because for them the employment opportunities are not much, and if they look towards the multinationals, etc., then also very few children can go and actually get the jobs in the multinational. But if we involve more and more youth in the urban areas and also in the rural areas, definitely they will get a direction, and then they will be self-reliant, they will get some occupation. If they become the member of a cooperative, then at least they can follow some activity, and if they follow some income generating activities and become the member of a particular cooperative, then their life can change.
See, when it comes to cooperatives, there are no corruption scams. When it comes to individual politics, there have been many corruption scams. I have not heard any corruption scams in cooperatives. So cooperatives indeed are very beneficial. In fact, they will benefit India, the whole of India. They will instill democracy in us.
In a country like India, where there are over 6 crore poor people, so we need to do something for the poor people and people who are in need of help, especially women, elderly people. And these cooperatives, they are making they're doing their bit, which is very good. And we as students, as the youth, we should also take the initiatives and we should take it further, because they are for our people, for not only for Indians but for the people of the world. Cooperation is very important.
It is also seen that the stereotype that women can stay at home and work would be better and not stand out. This is an opportunity for them to go out of the house too, and also contribute in a very meaningful way. So I think the video showed that we women can do more than just stay at home and be good wives and housewives and go to school, but go beyond.
The question is, the democratic member control is a principle of A, joint stock company, B, partnership, C, cooperative, D, none of the above. The question is to Father Admiral Gautam Nanda. Absolutely correct. C, cooperative. The headquarters of ICA is located at A, London, B, Geneva, C, Singapore, D, none of the above. Geneva. Absolutely correct. B, Geneva.
Dr. V. Korean is associated with which type of cooperative? Dr. V. Korean is associated with which type of cooperative? Excellent, that's the right answer.